Meaning of Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict is a popular American breakfast dish. It typically consists of a toasted English muffin topped with a slice of Canadian bacon or ham, a poached egg, and hollandaise sauce, which is made from egg yolks, butter, lemon juice, and salt. The dish is known for its rich and decadent flavor and is often served alongside hash browns or other breakfast sides. When prepared correctly, the hollandaise sauce should be smooth and creamy, while the poached egg should have a runny yolk and firm white. Overall, it's a delicious and satisfying breakfast option.